Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's session, I'm going to share you the roadmap for DevOps engineer. How to become a DevOps engineer and what are the skills required to become a DevOps engineer. Nowadays, the DevOps is a leading technology in IT market. Then who is the DevOps engineer? And what are the responsibilities of as a DevOps engineer in IT industry? So let us see one by one. DevOps is nothing but a set of process or culture that brings the development and operation team together to develop the software development. It allows the organization to create or improve the productivity very fast compared to traditional software development approach. Additionally, DevOps leads to cost reduction and boosting productivity. The DevOps engineer is mainly focused on configuration, documentation, optimization, and infrastructure components. The DevOps engineer is also responsible for adding users to cloud infrastructures, adding permissions, adding or changing the workflow process, adding an entire object that like function containers to meet business needs. Now let us see the complete roadmap to become a DevOps engineer. First, you should be strong in any one programming language, either Python or JavaScript or Golang. Okay, so recently Golang programming language also becoming very popular in IT market. Okay, but I highly recommend you to learn Python or JavaScript. Okay. So by using any one programming language, you can develop the source code. Okay, this source code you must be commit into one central repository. There are some popular version controls are there in IT market. Okay, so those are nothing but GitHub or Bitbucket. Okay, so there are number of developers are there. They are developing their respective code and they are pushing their entire code into GitHub repository or Bitbucket. Anyone, you have to learn either one. So after developing the source code, you have to push your code into GitHub repository. Okay. So for that reason, you have to learn either GitHub or Bitbucket. And then you must be learn one or two servers, continuous integration servers. So the popular one is Jenkins. So everyone knows about that one, Jenkins. Okay, or you can learn TeamCity, Bamboo, or Travis continuous integration, Travis CI. So the popular one is Jenkins and Travis CI. So it depends on the project, it depends on the company. They are choosing the tools. So maximum of the companies will prefer Jenkins only. Okay, so you have to learn one continuous integration server. Then to do testing or scanning purpose, you must be understanding the automation testing as well. So the most popular automation testing tool for web application is nothing but Selenium, and you must also learn some Cucumber and JMeter, and it is also very well if you know SOAP UI as well. Okay. After that, you must be know some artifacts. Artifact is nothing but a deployable component of the application. So we are using one build automation tool that is nothing but Maven or Nexus. Either one, anyone. Okay, you must be strong in Maven or Nexus build management tool. Okay, after that you have to learn some deployment tool as well. So preferably Terraform or AWS Cloud Forms or Azure. Most importantly, you have to learn Terraform or AWS Cloud Form or Azure one. So after that, you should know some monitoring tools as well, like Datadog, Nog iOS or Splunk. So anyone you have to learn. Okay. So along with these skills, so these are the main skills. Along with these skills, you should also having experience, or you must have strong knowledge on server administration skills like Linux or Unix. Linux administration or Unix administration skills is required. At the same time, you must also experience on network and security also. Like you should be basic knowledge on TCP and IP protocols, knowledge on some protocols like DNS, FTP, okay, SSL, okay, HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, you should have some basic knowledge of networking and security as well. Okay, and also you must have knowledge on some configuration management tool like Ansible, Puppet, Chuff. So as a DevOps engineer, you must be strong in any one of the configuration management tool, Ansible, Chuff or Puppet. Also, you should have experience on web servers like Apache or Tomcat, and also you have experience on database concepts as well, like from NoSQL you should have experience on Cassandra, MongoDB, okay, and also DynamoDB. Any one or two database experience is required. From SQL, you must have experience on MySQL, PostgreSQL or MariaDB. Any one or two database concepts is required experience. Okay, so along with these skills, you should have some soft skills experience also required, like communication, flexibility and adaptation, okay, and also team working and collaboration. So these are the main skills is required to become a DevOps engineer. Really like this video, please share to your friends also, and also hit the like button. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. So thank you for watching.